Optimizing your profile will give you a comparative advantage over other profiles and grow your digital rank as well. Potential insureds are more likely to choose agents who have an updated profile, starting with their profile image. With proper optimization of your profile, you will be more visible in the directory platform. So, optimize your profile by following these simple steps. Things required to optimize your profile. Login credentials to your account. Your business details and a professional image that represents you or your agency. To get started, first go to insurance.agencyheight.com and click on Member Login. Fill in your email and password in the Member Login section and click on Login Now. Then you will be able to see your dashboard where you begin to optimize your profile. Now for basic information. Start by going to Basic Information under Manage Listing. You can check your contact information and add the missing details. Add your social media profile links so that potential insured can connect with you easily. When adding your location, make sure you provide an accurate location, as your profile will be shown based on the potential insured search location. When you add your location on the map, it will automatically fill in the form below. After verifying all your information, click on Save and Continue. As for profile photo, after save and continue with the location information, you will be directed to the profile photo section. You can add your profile photo as well as cover photo to showcase your business to optimize your profile. Click Upload Photo. You will get the following pop-up. After selecting your photo, you can crop and adjust it and click on Crop and confirm upload. Similarly, you can upload your cover photo and profile logo as well. After you are done uploading all the images, click on Continue to Next section. Adding company details. The next section shows your company details and the services you provide. Make sure to select all the lines of businesses you provide, as potential insured search for agents based on the coverage they need. After selecting the policies, add your hours of operations, years of experience, carriers you work with, any affiliation, and if you provide health insurance or not. Select the line of business. Don't forget to check the property and casualty license checkbox and include your experience. After adding the details, click on Save and Continue. Adding About You. The next and last one of Manage Listing is About You. Your description is an important part as it describes you and the services you provide. Agents with a detailed About You section are selected over those with no description. Personal motto should describe your values and what you believe in. Make sure to add your expertise and experience so that the person reading it can relate to you and feel comfortable reaching out. After you're done with personal motto and description, click on Save and Continue. You will be directed to your dashboard after completing all the above steps. With that, you have ticked all the boxes of Optimize Your Profile. Congrats, you have successfully optimized your profile and made your profile more appealing to insurance shoppers.